Hey guys, today we're taking an exhilarating leap into the future of automobiles. Get ready to buckle up and join me on a thrilling ride as we uncover the tantalizing predictions for the world of cars in 2024. If you're as eager as I am, don't forget to smash that subscribe button and ring that notification bell so you won't miss out on any of the groundbreaking insights. Alright friends, grab your favorite snack, make yourself comfortable, and let's journey into the exciting world of what's to come on the roads. But before we zoom ahead, ensure you're comfortably settled because we're about to traverse uncharted territories in the automotive realm. From revolutionary advancements to futuristic designs, we're about to unveil a spectrum of innovations that will redefine the way we think about cars. So fasten your seatbelts, adjust your mirrors, and let's accelerate into the realm of cars that lie ahead. Number 1. Electric everything. Our first pit stop takes us down the electrifying path of the automotive future. In 2024, it's not just sedans and hatchbacks missing the switch to electric, we're talking about a monumental shift that encompasses buses, trucks, delivery vans, and more. Charging infrastructure is on the rise, becoming as ubiquitous as your favorite coffee shop, making electric vehicles the new norm. Say goodbye to traditional fossil fuels and embrace the whisper-quiet revolution of electric mobility, leading us toward a greener, more sustainable tomorrow. Number 2. Autonomous adventure. Now, shift your gears with me as we explore the realm of autonomous driving. Imagine cruising down the highway, your hands casually resting at your sides as your car takes care of the driving. No, this isn't science fiction, it's the imminent future. In 2024, self-driving technology will have reached new heights, enabling cars to navigate through complex urban landscapes and bustling intersections with finesse. Just imagine setting your destination, sitting back, and enjoying the view, like having your own personal chauffeur, minus the chit-chat. Number 3. Super sleek designs. Get ready to have your senses dazzled as we shift our focus to the captivating world of car design. Brace yourself for sleek aerodynamic masterpieces that blur the lines between art and engineering. Car manufacturers are shedding weight, experimenting with futuristic aesthetics, and sculpting curves that seem almost otherworldly. Yet, it's not all about aesthetics. These design marvels also translate into enhanced fuel efficiency, ensuring a harmonious blend of form and function that's bound to turn heads at every corner. Number 4. Eco-warriors unite. Our journey wouldn't be complete without highlighting the significant role cars will play in championing sustainability. In 2024, get ready to witness a cascade of eco-friendly features that make a bold statement. Imagine cars equipped with solar panel roofs, harnessing the sun's energy to power your ride while you contribute to a cleaner environment. But it doesn't stop there. Interiors crafted from vegan and eco-conscious materials will elevate your driving experience while making a positive impact on the planet. Embrace the era of eco-warrior cars that leave a trail of good deeds wherever they go. Number 5. Connectivity beyond imagination. And now, let's steer into an exciting new prediction that promises to revolutionize the way we experience cars: hyperconnectivity. In 2024, cars are set to become more than just modes of transportation. They're evolving into smart interconnected hubs. Imagine seamlessly syncing your car with your smart home, checking your emails while stuck in traffic, or even catching up on your favorite shows during a long road trip. With advanced connectivity features, your car becomes an extension of your digital life, creating an experience that's as immersive as it is convenient. As we bring this captivating journey to a close, I invite you to reflect on the incredible future that awaits us in the realm of automobiles. From the electrifying shift to electric vehicles and the autonomous driving revolution to sleek designs that merge aesthetics and performance, eco-conscious innovations, and mind-bending connectivity, the automotive landscape is on the brink of transformation. Which prediction has ignited your excitement the most? We're eager to hear your thoughts, so don't hesitate to share in the comments below. As we wrap up, show some love to that like button and be sure to share this riveting video with fellow car aficionados. Stay tuned to our channel for more enlightening insights, cutting-edge predictions, and a glimpse into the boundless possibilities of the future. Until we meet again, keep your engines revving, stay curious, and remember, the road to tomorrow is an exhilarating adventure waiting to be explored. See you in the next video.